In this video, we will talk about a new feature that's available in Nerdio Manager for Enterprise, starting with version 4.2, called Personal Host Pool Auto Grow. The concept behind Personal Host Pool Auto Grow is to allow you to dynamically expand the size of a personal desktop host pool, which will add desktop VMs whenever the number of available VMs, meaning those that are not assigned to a user, falls below some predefined number of desktops or a percentage of the total desktops in the host pool. This is really useful if you want to configure a personal host pool with lots of assigned users, but only add VMs when users are actually logging in for the first time, rather than pre-provision all of these desktops and just sit there and consume storage and compute while no one is using them. Let's take a look at how this works. So we're going to go to workspaces. We'll open up one of our demo workspaces here. Let's narrow our view down to personal desktop host pools, and we see a few of them here. Let's pick this one called personal desktop and go to the auto scale configure page. What you'll see on the auto scale configure page is a new section that is optional. So by default, it's going to be turned off in your environment, but you can easily go ahead and turn this on. And here, the configuration is very straightforward. You have to specify the number of desktops that are available in the host pool. So basically it says add a new host when the number of available, meaning not assigned to a user desktops, falls below either a certain number of VMs, let's say below one available VM, or you can say some percentage of the total, maybe when it falls below 5% of the total. So if we configure this, for instance, to be one desktop, we have to specify a template configuration for a new desktop to be created. So what is that going to look like? What is that VM going to be based on? So let's say this is going to be, let's call it personal. We'll use a prefix configuration. So Nerdio Manager will automatically add a unique suffix to it. We'll select our network. We will select our image. Let's go ahead and choose, I don't know, a executive image, for example. Let's go ahead and choose a VM size. Let's do a D2S V5. We're going to select a P10 disk, and we're going to put it in this resource group. And by configuring this, the system will automatically expand the host pool by automatically adding any VMs, adding VMs when the number of available desktops is below one. So that means as a user logs into the last available desktop, Autoscale will detect that there is now 0 available desktops, and as a result, will add one more automatically. So this is just a really useful way to optimize and automate the management of your personal host pools in a very cost-efficient way without having to pre-allocate a lot of extra capacity. I hope you found this useful, and I will see you in future videos.